If your car stutters when you hit the gas, you might have a TPS problem. Don't pay a mechanic just yet. You can tackle this job in your own driveway. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your car's turned off and disconnect the battery. Trust me, you don't want to mess with electricity while you're under the hood. Pause, smile. Now, find your throttle position sensor, or TPS. It's usually on the side of the throttle body, near where the gas pedal cable connects on older cars, or right on the electronic throttle if you drive something newer. If you're not sure, check your manual or look up a quick diagram online. Gently unplug the electrical connector. Sometimes these clips can be stubborn. Don't worry, you're not the only one who's fought with them. Pause, grin. Next, grab your trusty screwdriver or small wrench. Most TPS units are held in by just 2 screws or bolts. Take those out and set them somewhere safe. Lose them, and you'll be digging through the garage for hours. Carefully pull out the old sensor. Now's a good time to wipe down the area just to keep things tidy. Line up your shiny new TPS, push it into place, and secure it with those screws or bolts. Plug the connector back in, and reconnect your battery. Some cars might need a TPS relearn. Just check your manual or a forum for quick steps, and that's it. You just saved yourself a chunk of cash and learned something new. Give yourself a pat on the back, and maybe take your car for a smooth, happy test drive.